Hello everyone, I am Mr. Helper. I am back with another exciting video. There is an Assassin's Creed Syndicate limited time giveaway going on. Once you claim it, it will be added to your game library for lifetime. Just want to tell you that I have recorded and published this video in Hindi on my other channel, especially for those of you who prefer to watch my tutorial in Hindi. I am leaving that Hindi tutorial video link in the description box below. Check it out if you want. Let's start the video. Open your web browser, go to duckduckgo.com, search for register Ubisoft AC Syndicate. Make sure to type this exactly same, otherwise you might not be able to follow my steps. Right here you can see this is a limited time offer. Please be quick. Make sure to log in with your Ubisoft account, otherwise create a Ubisoft account, it is completely free. I have already logged in with my Ubisoft account. Next, simply click over here. This is to confirm that you want to claim Assassin's Creed Syndicate on this account. Click on continue. Congratulations, you have successfully claimed a free copy of Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Now all you have to do is download and install the Ubisoft Connect launcher and log in with the same account. After that, click on games. Here it is, your Assassin's Creed Syndicate. Please note that this is Assassin's Creed Syndicate Standard Edition. DLCs like Streets of London, the Jack Ripper, Steampunk outfit for Evie, Steampunk pack, the Dreadful Crimes, the Last Maharaja Missions pack, Victorian Legends outfit for Jacob. These DLCs are not included in this giveaway. You can buy them separately also. I'm planning to make a separate video on this topic, how to buy Assassin's Creed Syndicate DLCs as well. Let me know if you want it quickly. Before I end this video, I want to say something. Go to my channel and scroll down to this section of my channel. Right here I have listed some of my other channels. This is my Hindi tutorial channel where you can find this same tutorial in Hindi. Next to Hindi tutorial channel, this is my gaming channel SpapnoPlays, where you will find exciting gameplay videos of GTA 5, Assassin's Creed, World War Z and lots of gameplay videos. Next to SpapnoPlays, this is my entertainment channel named Spapno, where you can find my funny commentary about my day-to-day activities. In the end, I want you to subscribe to this channel and show me a strong support by commenting and sharing my video with your friends. So now it's time to say goodbye. So until then, take care, have a nice day, and I will talk to you next time. Bye.